Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can power on TOZO OpenEgo. So technically all you need to do is simply open the case in order to turn them on. You might be able to see the light on the earbuds. If not, then we need to take them out. So let's take one, let's take out the second. And now all we need to do is simply press on the logo over here. So use your finger in order to touch it. And then we need to do that for a few seconds. And there we go. Now we can see the light. There was also a sound. And of course we need to do that with the other ones as well, unless they turn on automatically. The first time I used them, I had to turn them on separately. So you might do that. You might need to do the same thing with the other earbud as well. If not, then of course both of them will be enabled at the same time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.